morning, Kuya Elijah.
Hey guys.
How are you?
Good.
What's up, guys? Dito kami ni Kuya Elijah sa taas nila Dayan. Obviously, kanina pa kami nagsushooting. And it's so nice dito sa taas kasi yung breeze, hindi siya mainit today. Actually, it's cloudy today. Monday today. We don't know kung anong gagawin namin today. Meron kaming kaibigan from high school. Si Baby, kung nakita nyo last year vlog, kasama siya din dun sa Tagaytay. And kasama niya yung boyfriend niyang pupunta dito kay Dayan. Bibisita sila, I think only for today, and then they're gonna go home later on this afternoon. So, we're just waiting for them. They should be here soon. What's your question?
Why do you call her baby?
Why do we call her Baby? I don't know, that's what her nickname is. Maybe ask her later. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, Baby. Eh, tanungin mo na bakit Baby pangalan niya. What's up, bro? Hi, Baby. Kamusta?
Okay lang.
What's up, guys? We are going for a walk to Hatid Yana home. This is Yana, guys. You guys probably seen her already. Say hi, Yana. Say hi. Hi, Yana. And we brought the Danica. Say hi. Say hi, Danica. Hi. And the others, including Tita Wendy. Daddy's setting up his drone to record in the air. So we'll look at you guys up there.
Si Kuya Elis, naka-plastic yung coke. Si Kuya Elijah naman, mikmik. Ang binabanatan, mga batang tambay. Mga batang tambay. Merienda muna kami. Nagtutubang presos sila, Kuya Elijah. You wanna join them? Merienda muna sa tindahan. Habang sila Dayan pumunta ng Clark. Tinatamad na ako mag-Clark kasi nakailang punta na kami. And I just wanted to chill. Boom! May mga naglalaro pa rin palang tumbang preso, Boom! Gulong!